There aren't many things that are claimed to be the first of its kind. The Homestead is America's first resort, dating back to 1766. Rising out of the Allegheny Mountains in Hot Springs, it's an upscale destination for the finer things in life. My visit started with the Virginia wine experience, offering choices of whites and reds from across Virginia, paired with likely one of the best charcuterie boards you've had, and all with this painting of a backdrop. While dining ranges from the formal to much less so, it's all tailored to the resort's brand of always luxurious. The 2 championship golf courses are a huge draw, with one featuring the nation's oldest first tee, still in use today. If you'd like something a little louder, there's the sporting clay course, which you could then follow with horseback riding, archery and axe throwing, bike tours, tennis, fly fishing, and even falconry. After such an arduous day, you could then treat yourself even more at the Spa and Wellness Center, ending your day in the hot tub and then a nightcap in the Presidential Lounge. But one of the most unique things in such a unique place are the famous warm spring pools. Located 5 miles from the main resort, it's believed humans have been enjoying the supposed healing, regenerative powers of these natural springs for several thousand years. 2 iconic buildings, men's and ladies', cover crystal clear pools with a constant, comforting temperature of around 98 degrees. This is something you just have to try. Walking through the Great Hall, you come to realize the reason why over the past 250 years, 24 U.S. presidents have visited here. It's not just one of Virginia's gems, but one of our country's. In Hot Springs, I'm Dave Parker.